If you're in the military and you're thinking about getting into business, making extra money on the side in the military, or just getting into entrepreneurship in general, there's one tool that I think every military entrepreneur should know about. The tool is called GoHighLevel. I use it to run an agency. So in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can use GoHighLevel in your business or your side hustle or whatever you do in the military or as a veteran. First off, what you need to know is that GoHighLevel is an all-in-one software that can help you run your business. So if you're starting an agency, a coaching business, freelancing, normally you would need a bunch of different tools to create a website, and another tool to send emails, and another tool to track clients and book calls and manage everything in your marketing. With GoHighLevel, you can do all of that on just one platform, just one login, and just one payment. This video isn't sponsored or anything. I just think that this is a very valuable business tool that every military member and veteran should know about. Again, I use it within my own businesses and the businesses that I help manage. For example, I help run a marketing agency and an entire media company that runs 50 different plus YouTube channels in different niches. So I'm actually using this tool, and that's why I believe in it so much and why I recommend it to all business owners who are in the military. So I actually use it on a daily basis. And so I want to give you a good idea of how you can use it too. So let me go over the key features that come with this GoHighLevel platform / software or whatever that can actually help you make money. The first thing is the pipeline / client tracking feature. This is basically where you would see where every potential client is. And before we had this, we were tracking this stuff manually. So it would be, okay, somebody reaches out to our business wanting to work with us, and then we would have to get their name, their email, phone number, whatever. And with GoHighLevel, I could see all of the potential clients and actually organize them by what stage they are in. So if they're a lead that we need to contact, I know that. If I already contacted them, I also know that. If we closed them or we didn't close them, or wherever they are in the customer journey pipeline, I can track all of that on GoHighLevel. Second is the automations and the workflows that you can build inside of GoHighLevel. There are so many automations out there that you can build within your business on the back end, whether it's creating an automated email or an automated text message that goes out to every single customer who goes to your website and fills out a form or applies to work with you. There are automations that you can connect within your Instagram to where whenever anybody sends you a DM or anybody comments on any post that you make, you can automatically have that same email sequence or a text message get sent to that customer. And inside of their platform, they have a workflow builder, and it's all combined now with AI. So it's very simple for anybody to just describe what kind of automation or what kind of workflow that you want within your business, and the AI will be able to build it out for you. And also along with that, they have customer support that you can reach out to at any time. And those are real people who can help you get set up with whatever automation or whatever workflow you're looking to create in your business. And this is where GoHighLevel actually gets super crazy when it comes to the 7-figure or 8-figure businesses out there that use this platform. They have so many different automations and so many different workflows built out. And that's the kind of stuff that helps you as the business owner keep the business going even when you are asleep or even when you're away. The third feature that I really love for beginners in business is their ability to create funnels and website landing pages. They got templates, you can customize it, and it works. Like, there's tons of businesses out there who have landing pages and VSLs and things like that built out on GoHighLevel. For example, in our marketing agency, what we do is we have a landing page. It's a VSL landing page, so it has a video sales letter. So when people come to our landing page, either from a YouTube video or Instagram shout out or whatever, they will watch our video. They can scroll through our website and read through our service and how it works, and then they can apply to actually work with us. So those are some of the biggest features on GoHighLevel that I think any beginner in business can benefit from. But there's obviously so much more than that. To give you an example of how military members can actually use this, I want to go over some examples of Marines who I actually know who have real businesses, and also just give you guys some hypothetical scenarios in case you're out there and you have a business that is similar. The first one would be the HVAC or plumbing or just any service-based business like that, where you're doing blue collar work as a service. This is super common because a lot of veterans will go out there, they'll learn a trade, and then they'll start selling that to homeowners or whoever needs their service. With GoHighLevel, what you can do is you can create a pipeline that tracks every single job that you have. So you can track from giving people an estimate to scheduling the job to when the job is completed, and then also when you get paid. You can send automated text messages to your customers like, hey, just want to let you know your technician is on the way to your home. And then after they finish the job, you can also send an automated text message that's like, hey, hope you like our service. Would you mind giving me a review? Within GoHighLevel, you can also set up a pretty simple booking page for people to find your business on Google or Facebook or whatever, be able to go onto your page, and they can either book a time to work with you, or they would book to get on a call with one of your sales representatives if you have that. So let's say you're busy at another job site, you can have GoHighLevel making all of these things happen on the back end of your business while you work on whatever job site that you're at. And for example, one of the military members who I knew, he had a mobile detailing business, which would fit this type of service business that I'm talking about. If I were to go back, I would tell him to do all of this stuff on the GoHighLevel backend so that he can have a system that works for him as he's working on other jobs, and he can hire a team of people to wash other cars for him. And then that's how he'd eventually scale this alongside with ramping up his marketing. The next business type would be like an online coaching business. I had a Marine who I actually interviewed on this channel who has a coaching business. And so whether that's mindset coaching or fitness coaching or life coaching, whatever, usually coaches have some sort of funnel that brings people into their community. So whether that's a free training that they do or a free PDF that they create, they would be able to use GoHighLevel to create a funnel page to host whatever PDF or whatever free training that they're doing. And then the people who come into their landing page, right, they come into their funnel, they would send them their name, email, phone number, which then you can set up email automations, text message automations to be able to get them to book a call with you so that you can sell them on whatever coaching program or mentorship or whatever that you have. And then of course you'd have a pipeline to be able to track, who's coming in, who's a lead, who's actually going through that call, and then who's actually closing on your program. This is where I'd go heavy on telling that person with a coaching business, hey, why don't you set up a GoHighLevel Instagram automation workflow where whenever you post something on Instagram, you can tell people, hey, comment this keyword, comment mindset, and I will send you free training on how I was able to upgrade my mindset or whatever. And whenever somebody comments on that post, you'd be able to have GoHighLevel send them an Instagram DM back so that you can get them onto your landing page, onto your funnel, onto your call, whatever. And then there's the agency side of things, like the marketing agency that I'm running right now. Within our marketing agency, we can literally track all of our clients. We built out the funnel, the landing pages. We're building out the email automations and the text message automations. And we can even create GoHighLevel sub accounts for them. So there's two GoHighLevel plans, right? There's the basic one, and then there's the higher tier one. The higher tier one allows you to create infinite sub accounts. So this is basically being able to create infinite different accounts on GoHighLevel for any business that you want to create. So if I have a marketing agency and I'm trying to create a GoHighLevel sub account for a bakery that I'm helping or a car dealership that I'm doing marketing for, I can create that sub account. And so that way each client gets their own GoHighLevel dashboard, basically, where you can do the exact same thing, just copy and paste all the automations, all the email marketing, and all that good stuff onto their platform. Okay, so I know I talked a lot about, all the different things that you can do with GoHighLevel, and I've given you a lot of theory, but I actually want to show you now what it looks like to go onto GoHighLevel, some of the different things that you can explore. And I want to give you a demonstration because for me, I'm a visual learner. So if you're a visual learner, this part's for you. So first things first, if you guys use the link down below, you're going to get taken to a page like this where you get access to an exclusive 30-day free trial. And once you actually get on to GoHighLevel and you sign up, I'm actually gonna be able to send you automatically through an email a snapshot. So you can import that snapshot onto your GoHighLevel, and it'll import all of the templates that I've created for a generic marketing agency. But you're gonna be able to see there are so many other templates that you can choose from depending on what type of business you are. And so the first thing, if you've never used GoHighLevel before, you can click on Start an Extended Free Trial. Or if you're already a high-level user, you can click on this. From there, you can enter in your information. So just enter in whatever company name, this could be anything. And then you can enter in whatever email that you use, phone number, and then go to step 2. For step 2, you have two options. So there's the starter plan and then the unlimited plan. Basically on the starter plan, you can see here that you can only do 3 different sub accounts. You have unlimited contacts, unlimited users, 24/7 support, and then all the core features that we talked about. This is gonna be $97 per month, and this is perfect for any small business or solo marketers, as it says on here. And obviously it's not gonna be 14 days free, it'll be 30 days free if you guys use my link. And then there's the unlimited plan. So this is actually what we use within our marketing agency. And so this is gonna allow you to create unlimited sub accounts, and you get some other stuff, but really the main thing that you would want to use the unlimited plan for is creating unlimited sub accounts for unlimited businesses. And then there's the Agency Pro, but this one is probably not for most of you guys, unless you guys are agencies looking to get into SaaS. So going back to this page, all you have to do is just select whichever plan that you want. Obviously, it's not gonna charge you for the first 30 days. You can cancel anytime. So I recommend just mess around with it and see if you like it. You can cancel anytime if you want. Now inside of GoHighLevel, this is what it looks like. Once you've signed in, you can see that I am on the launch pad right now, and it's giving me a couple different things to look at in terms of setting up everything on the back end for my business. Before you get to this page though, you will be filling out some questions that'll help you get a customized template or whatever set up on your back end. So answer those questions as best as possible. And I would say honestly, when you first get started, just mess around with all of this stuff on the left-hand side. Just click into it, like click into your dashboard. Obviously this is a demo account, so I don't have any information, but this is where you'd be able to see everything from a glance. You can look at your conversations. So this is where you'd be able to see stuff like your Instagram, text messages, if you have any, email. You can set up your calendars right here if you want to set up booking calls and stuff like that. You can also invite your sales representatives on here to have their own calendars. You have your contacts. So this is where you would be able to sort everyone who comes in as a lead. You have opportunities. So this is actually where you create your pipelines like I talked about. So there's the marketing pipeline that I've already implemented into here. And so I have it by new lead, hot lead, new booking, visit attended, sale, and then left a review. But obviously you guys will be able to change all of this as well. You just go to pipelines, you go to any of your pipelines and then click on edit. And you can see that all of this stuff I can change. So for example, if I want to do no close, I can do that. I can also add stages and I can rename the entire pipeline. Then there's the payments. So you can connect your payment providers, whether you use Stripe or PayPal or Square or whatever. You can send people invoices. You can create payment links for people to click on and then pay you through that. There's a bunch of AI agents that you guys can check out to help you with your business in terms of AI. They have a voice AI that you can create, and they're constantly updating this stuff every single week. So by the time that you guys watch this video, they probably came out with another AI tool. Then there's marketing. So this would be everything from, your social media, planning all of your content out. There's emails, you can even manage ads on here. And then there's the automations tab. So this has all of your workflows. You can organize them in folders. And I have an example right here, like this is the Instagram comment automation. And this is what, the automation builder kind of looks like. So we have the trigger right here. So whenever anybody comments on a post, you would basically respond to their comment right here and then also send them an interactive message. And you can connect a bunch of different things here. And again, they also have AI. So you can literally just describe what you want to build and AI will do it for you. Or you can just work with one of their support members by going back and then clicking on this right here. From there, you can contact their customer support 24/7. You can either do a Zoom call with them, you can do a chat, you can raise a ticket. They're super good about helping businesses with their custom needs. They have an amazing team. So if there's any questions that you have about, how do you set up the marketing? How do you set up the automations? How do you customize and organize your opportunities pipeline? They can answer all that for you. They can give you all the resources. And the last thing that I guess I'll go over is just the sites. Like this is just funnels. Like here's an example of one of them. So this would be the first step. They go to the funnel homepage and you can actually A/B test these. So you can test 2 different homepages at once to see which one performs better. And whatever action that people choose to do, you can send them through the funnel. So the next step would be an appointment and then a thank you page. So I know all of that seems pretty intimidating, but I would say just mess around with the platform. It's actually not that complicated when you actually start getting into it. There are also thousands of tutorials on YouTube that will teach you specific things when it comes to GoHighLevel. I know at first when I opened up the dashboard, I was like, dang, this is really intimidating. But once you start playing around with it and you start clicking around and you start actually trying to build stuff for your business, it starts to click. And then it's gonna teach you about all the things that you need to do in the back end of your business to scale. So just start off very slowly, like mess around with the platform, Just choose one automation to build out or one pipeline to build out. And over time, you can build more and more automations, workflows, etc. So again, if you want to check out GoHighLevel, I'll leave my link down below where you can get a 30-day free trial. And you also get my free snapshot that has all of the pipelines, automations, marketing workflows, and stuff like that built out. So you could just import them into your space and then just customize them a little bit. Anyways, I hope you got value from this video. I'm making these videos on this channel because this is something that I wish somebody told me when I was younger, first getting into business and entrepreneurship in the military. That's all I have for this video. If you guys end up using my link, I wanna say thank you so much in advance. That'll really help support the channel so that I can keep creating free videos like this for you guys. And if you're looking to actually start a marketing agency in the military, this is probably one of the best side hustles that I've stumbled upon. So I've made a video that will teach you how you can start a marketing agency and scale it to $10,000 per month while active duty or as a reservist in the military. And if you want to watch that video, go ahead and click right here.